To verify if the vehicle is covered by the safety bulletin, check in the Knowledge Center. Now select View Details. Click on DPS, Permanent Repair Procedure, to have more information about the bulletin. Here, you can see that you need to change your DPS. Once the DPS has been changed, scan the vehicle. The vehicle has been correctly scanned. It's normal to have nothing in this box, because the 2017 ATV models don't have these information. If we would work on a 2018 ATV, there would have been information in the vehicle box. Here is an example. Step 3. Flash the DPS. This icon means that you can flash the vehicle, and this icon means that the module is in boot mode. Remember to not use a vehicle in boot mode. Now, go to Flash page. Click the green play button to flash the module. Make sure you read the instructions before clicking the Yes button. Also, it's important to check if the battery voltage is higher than 12.6 volts. A good tip is to unplug the lights. The flash can take up to 1 minute. But 2 will automatically reskin. Go to Faults page. If you have faults, they can be due to the new flash and the missing settings, like Reset Torque Offset. Step 4. Resetting the torque offset. We need to reset the torque applied on the DPS, which can vary from one bike to another and depend on the assembly on the part. Now go to Settings page. Double-click on the Change Torque Sensor Offset. Remember, it's important to know that you can't put any force on the steering during this setting. To do this setting, refer to the shop manual. Here you can see the new torque offset.